and I'm a grade R teacher at Groblersdal Academy Preschool. The children in our class come from diverse socio-economic backgrounds, and therefore they learn through different ways. So we need to cater for each and everyone's needs. One of these ways is our sensory garden. The sensory garden is a space where we can focus on the whole child. We can focus on their social skills, their language skills, their coordination, and also their gross motor and fine motor skills. We have various JoJo products in and around our sensory garden. All of our plants are planted in JoJo planters. Our main water source is also a big JoJo tank. Then we have a smaller tank which we use as a basin for our children before they go back to the classes. We also have a Nguni wheelbarrow which we use to fill our children's water buckets to water the garden. We emphasize that water is life because we know that our children truly understand the value of water. To me, the sensory garden means opportunity. It creates the opportunity for our learners to learn in different ways. It's also a way for them to get excited about the small things again and to learn through being in nature.